come along with us to test drive some cars. So we are in the market for a new car and we're gonna go look at some today. So I'm gonna share which ones I end up driving. We'll see what we end up with. But yeah, we're on our way now. We'll see you when we get there. It's our first stop. We're at BMW, Audi, and Porsche. I really want a Porsche Macan. This is what they look like. I don't know what year this is, but these are them. Ideally, I'd want a white one. So something like this. I don't know if this is a Macan. No idea. They like kind of look the same. Oh, this is the GTS. This one's like really expensive. But yeah, we're here. And Audi and BMW are over there. This one's so nice. Does this one have a sunroof?
It does, yes.
Oh, it does? Okay.
You can open it with this switch here.
Oh, nice. I feel like these mirrors are have really good like visibility. So this is the Macanti, which just means the trim is different.
Correct. So there's less like insulation, so you can hear the exhaust more.
We just left Porsche. Now we're at Audi. They're literally like right next to each other, but we're looking at Audis now. The Q7 is really big. It looks like a station wagon to me. Oh, sorry, there's like a street right here. This looks like a station wagon to me. I don't know why, but it just does. I just don't know if I can picture it, to be honest. Wait, what happened to BMW?
Under construction.
It's under construction. I think this is the electric one. Quattro?
Oh, it is. No, it's not.
So we just left the Porsche and Audi dealership. We didn't test drive any Audis. They didn't really have any in the front and they were out of the budget. So no Audis for us. Plus I didn't really want an Audi anyway. But we're gonna go to a, where are we going? A Mercedes dealership right now to see. We made it to Mercedes. I've never pictured myself driving a Mercedes, but today we're gonna see if I'm feeling the energy of the car, you know? Sorry it's loud, the freeway is literally right there. Yeah. I really like this. This is the GLE 35 Mercedes. It's a 2024. I'd probably get it in white. But the inside, I don't know if you guys can kind of see. The guy went to go get the keys. It's so nice. Here it is. This is like plan B if I can't get the Porsche. Porsche's like the goal, but this is so nice. It's kind of dark in here, but here's the inside. I love the little red stitching. Oh, the seats are like suede. Look at this massive screen. Where's the Prindle? None of these cars have Prindles anymore. Ooh, that's nice. Just left the dealerships and now we're out to get dinner. We're going to Buffalo Wild Wings. I really liked the Mercedes. I really do. It's so nice, but they didn't have a white one. And I feel like to get the full effect, I needed to see the white one. They only had it in black, so that's a bummer, but it's still an option. So it's a few days later now. I'm walking out of my apartment complex right now, as you can see, but I just wanted to update you guys on the whole car situation. I know I kind of left you hanging, but I got it. Well, let's go see it. Why is there a bow on it if it's not mine?
It's yours.
Wow, so cute. Oh my god, it's so nice. What did they give you?
Love you.
Thanks. Hey, here she is, my new Porsche Macan. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. Okay, let me show you an overview. This is her in all her glory. She is a 2024 Porsche Macan. I'm gonna try and show you the front, but yeah, this is the car that we ended up going with. And of course, the light interior. Let me open it. I went with the light interior. I test drove one with like dark interior, but I really liked the light one. It has this like huge sunroof. Here's the steering wheel, obsessed. There's the back, nothing crazy. And then of course like the trunk is back there. But you guys, it smells so good. Okay, so I'm in the car, let me turn it on. I'm so excited, you guys. I'm like obsessed with this car. Getting to drive a Porsche is literally a dream, and I can't believe that I am here in this stream right now. So, yeah, right now I'm actually gonna go to Disneyland because there's some new ears that I want to try and find. I probably won't find them, but you never know. I'm gonna go see. I haven't been there in a while, and I'm just gonna go by myself. My fiance is working, so he can't come with me, so it's just me. And I think I want to get like coffee and stuff, but yeah, I just wanted to show you guys my car because I know I didn't like, I totally did not really finish like that vlog. It's gonna be really choppy, I'm sorry. It's just this took like a few days to get it and stuff, but let me show you guys the driver side. So there's of course Taylor Swift always. Here's all the fancy buttons, and then I got these little things on Amazon to like hook your bag on so it doesn't just, you know, so it's cute. I got my Stony Clover here with my patches. Yeah, I'm so excited. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm so happy that I got this car. Anyway, that's it for now. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this vlog. Let me know what else you guys want to see next, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.